How to fix Facebook not sending SMS code. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. So there is a quick and easy way to do so. First thing first to consider, check for the number that you have added in the Facebook verification. Make sure the phone number that you have entered is correct. Once you have assured that the Facebook number that you have entered is correct, follow this quick and easy next step. Start off by launching your phone's settings and scroll down to tap on Apps. From here, click on the All Apps option and you need to search for Facebook. So over here, tap on the four-stop button firstly, then head over to Storage and Cache. Then tap on the Clear Cache option. Once you click on it, the Facebook will refresh itself and you might receive the SMS code. Otherwise, next thing what you can do is you can actually try to restart your device for a quick refresh. If not, you can toggle on the airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then turn it back off. After which you can connect to a better Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. This is how you can fix your Facebook not sending code. Hopefully you found this helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.